Welcome, and thanks for joining me. Today I'd like to discuss a huge problem that is plaguing the residential and commercial water industry. Then I'd like to introduce you to one company's ingenious solution to that problem. Every year, thousands of injuries and deaths can be attributed to pool safety issues. We've all seen the news stories and all know the most common dangers, but there's one danger that is less widely discussed in the media, and that is the danger of circulation entrapment. A swimming pool uses a filtering system connected to drains, returns, and a pump to keep water circulating and free of debris. Either by gravity or pump suction, an area of lower pressure is created in the sump of the main drain, pulling the water into the pump. The pump discharge sends the water to the filter, heater, and chemical balancing system. Circulation entrapment occurs when an object or person fully blocks access to the main drain of a pool, spa, or other water system and prevents the water from circulating properly. As the pump continues to operate even with the water circulation cut off, a significant vacuum buildup can be exerted on whatever is blocking the drain. This intense suction can severely injure or even kill a person trapped by it. According to a 2017 report released by the Consumer Product Safety Commission, there were 17 significant instances of circulation entrapment just in the past 5 years. More than 80% of those cases involved children under the age of 15 years old. Two very notable cases from 2002 and 2008 led to the adoption of the Virginia Graham-Baker Act, legislation designed to improve pool safety in both commercial and residential water applications. The primary solution to this problem involves installing two drains, separated by a space of more than 6 feet. Even if one drain becomes blocked, the pressure requirements for water circulation can still be met by doubling the suction of the second drain. This reduces the likelihood of entrapment significantly, but there's still a few problems here. What if the second drain becomes blocked at the same time? What if adding a second drain isn't a practical solution? Secondary systems are often used that can sense a change in water circulation and shut down the pump to cut off suction, further reducing, but not completely eliminating, the danger. And what about other dangers, such as having hair or jewelry caught by drain suction? All of these risks mean that current solutions still don't completely address the problem, they just reduce the odds of tragedy. ProFlo has created an ingenious solution to all of these problems, the RipTide. The RipTide works by introducing a pressurized stream of water back to the drain directly from the pump discharge. This water is pushed through the nozzle assembly in an upward circular flow pattern of 360 degrees. This flow pattern pushes away blocking objects and helps prevent suction entrapment from occurring. As you can see in this product development footage, the RipTide's patented design forces large objects away from the top of the drain cover, making it impossible to create lethal suction against the object. In some cases, an object is so large that it can still be caught by suction and completely block the drain. Notice the ripple of the bag where it meets the drain cover. The RipTide pushes enough pressure back against the blocking object to prevent a seal, while water continues to filter through the open area created by holes engineered in the vertical sidewall of the drain. This process maintains constant water pressure on the system while exerting a minimal amount of suction on the object blocking the drain. And what about some of those other dangers I mentioned? Hair and jewelry getting trapped in drains, even drains that are VGB certified. Under certain conditions, there still remains a big hazard, and the RipTide solves that problem naturally. The upward flow of water pushes the hair up and away from the drain, almost completely eliminating the risk of entrapment. Watch as the doll's hair in the first clip is pulled toward the drain cover and into the drain. The suction hasn't been interrupted enough to shut down the drain, but the risk of hair entanglement and drowning is still present. Now watch as the RipTide is turned on. The hair is immediately pushed away and out of danger. While providing a valuable safety feature, the RipTide's patented design also provides 3 excellent additional maintenance enhancements. First, the RipTide current generated by the flow of water helps produce a mixing action to de-stratify the water in the deeper part of the pool. This mixing action improves water quality and sanitation by creating a more even dispersion of chemicals and therefore a better overall water balance. The second benefit that the RipTide provides is that the accelerated flow of water near the main drain helps clean some of the larger debris that typically builds up on the floor of the pool, which means more efficient cleaning and less maintenance time. Finally, the RipTide's unique patented design allows normal operation to continue despite a blockage, which means less wear and tear on the pump. So you've seen what the RipTide has to offer: immense safety features and improved system operation in one single unit. The RipTide is available for either direct purchase or for licensing and use in your own drain product. Visit www.profloinc.com for more information and options.